The importance of sleep. Sleep is not a luxury. It is a basic biological need. Just like food, water, and air, sleep is essential for our survival and well-being. Yet, in modern society, sleep is often the first thing we sacrifice when we are busy, stressed, or connected to our devices late at night. When we sleep, our body and brain are far from inactive. During sleep, the brain processes information, organizes memories, and clears out waste that builds up during the day. This is why a good night's sleep helps us think more clearly, concentrate better, and make better decisions the next day. Sleep also plays a crucial role in emotional health. Without enough sleep, small problems can feel overwhelming, and our emotions become harder to control. Studies show that lack of sleep increases stress, anxiety, and irritability. In contrast, well-rested people are more emotionally balanced and resilient. Physical health is deeply connected to sleep as well. While we sleep, the body repairs tissues, strengthens the immune system, and balances hormones. Poor sleep over time is linked to serious health problems such as heart disease, obesity, diabetes, and a weakened immune system. In other words, sleep is one of the body's most powerful healing tools. Sleep is especially important for students and young people. Learning does not end when studying stops. It continues during sleep. What we learn during the day is reinforced at night, which is why sleep improves memory and academic performance. Studying late into the night, but sleeping too little often does more harm than good. So how much sleep do we need? Most adults need about 7 to 9 hours of sleep each night, while teenagers and children need even more. Consistency matters as much as quantity. Going to bed and waking up at similar times helps regulate the body's internal clock. Improving sleep does not require drastic changes. Simple habits such as reducing screen time before bed, keeping a regular schedule, and creating a calm sleeping environment can make a big difference. Sleep is not wasted time. It is an investment in our mind, body, and future. When we choose sleep, we choose better health, clearer thinking, and a better quality of life.